Buy Paubea hair clippers for men at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. Self-sharpening ceramic titanium blade providing high-performance precision, greatly reduces the risk of nicks and cuts, offering you the best gentle smooth hair cutting. Supports trimming with guide combs or without guide combs within 0.8 mm to 2 mm, to quickly achieve a wide variety of hairstyles and lengths. Supports both cordless operation, or plug-and-play in low battery status, 100 to 240 volts dual voltage design perfect for worldwide travel use. 2.5 hours. One quick charge supports 3 hours continuous use, which is enough for 4 to 6 months regular usage. Intuitively displays current battery status in high, middle, low mode, and timely reminds you to charge. The charging process is also visible.